In today's video, I'm going to teach you create new table in Access, how to create a Microsoft Access tutorial. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, reliable table that's ready for data entry and future reporting. Start by launching Microsoft Access. If you're opening it for the first time in a while, give it a moment to load the start screen. From here, you can either create a new blank database or open an existing one. A blank database is perfect if you're starting fresh. An existing database makes sense if you're adding a table to a current project. Choose a clear file location so you can find it easily later. Once your database is open, head to the ribbon at the top and select the Create tab. Click Table Design. This view gives you precise control over your table structure before any data goes in, which helps prevent errors down the line. In the design grid, you'll build your fields. In the first column, type a field name, keep names short and descriptive. In the second column, pick a data type from the dropdown. You can also add an optional description to clarify how each field should be used. That description appears in the status bar when someone selects the field, which is great for team consistency. Choose data types carefully. Short text is ideal for names and labels. Number works for quantities and calculations. Date, time captures dates or timestamps. Currency keeps financial values accurate. Auto number automatically assigns a unique number to each record. Yes, no handles true, false choices. The data type you pick determines what the field will allow and how Access stores and validates it, which directly impacts data quality and query performance. Every table needs a reliable way to uniquely identify each record. That's where the primary key comes in. Click the gray row selector next to the field you want to use, then click the primary key button on the design tab, or right click and choose primary key. Many tables use an auto number field as the primary key because it guarantees uniqueness without manual effort. When your fields look good, save your work. Right click the Tables tab and choose Save or press Ctrl+S. Enter a meaningful name for your table, something concise and specific, then click OK. Clear names make navigation and relationships much easier later. To begin entering data, switch to Datasheet View, click the View button in the top left and choose Datasheet View. You can now add records, and Access will enforce the data types you set, helping keep your information clean and consistent. That's it. You've created a well-structured table ready for use.